Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Bugatti. Brand Bugatti obviously is very famous, is very well known in the world for their supercars or their hypercars, and they are amazing piece of engineering. They owned by Audi from Germany, but doesn't make it any less amazing piece of machinery. So they are one of the, I think they are the most powerful roadworthy cars in the world. And when I saw this beauty from them, I was very intrigued. I never had a fragrance from them. I didn't even know they make fragrances. There are a few car manufacturers that make a very good fragrance, especially for the price. Obviously Jaguar is one of them, which is one of my favorite. Other one is Ferrari. There are a few other ones which making it, like Mercedes-Benz. They are making very good perfumes and fragrances. So let's see how this one goes. This one you can find it in United Kingdom under £30 for 100 ml, and this one is called Bugatti. What was it called? Dynamic Move Amber. Dynamic Move Amber, Eau de Toilette, 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. It's a simple box. It does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Nothing to brag about, nothing to shout about, but let's see how is the bottle. Before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, entertaining, if you think what I do is worth it, if you think I'm giving you something and it's good for you in terms of information, in terms of bargains, in terms of unknown hidden gems and perfumes and things like that, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future, and also keep going with this endeavor. This is a very expensive endeavor. I'm getting less than £5 for each video, but I am on average spending about £50 on each video, so we can tell what's the disparity between what I pay and what I get. So the only things left is your motivation, your help, your basically encouragement to carry on with this very expensive endeavor. 99.9% of what you see behind me I bought from my own hard-earned cash money, and this endeavor, this hobby is very expensive. So please, thank you for your likes, thank you for your shares, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, which is free. If you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that. I leave in the link how you could do that. That would be appreciated. Thank you. And if you want to buy one of my own perfumes and get something beautiful in return and help me that way, you could do that. If you live in United Kingdom, they're Ultra Beast Mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and they smell great. They are very mysterious, very unique, very artistic, and they are one of the best ingredients in the world, if not the best, for the price. And they are like time capsule. They take you different places, different times. Please, if you'd like to do that, I'll leave in the link as well. Thank you very much, and let's go. So let's see the bottle. So Bugatti is car manufacturer, so attention to the bottle should be good, and it is. Look at that, very good looking bottle, and look at the coloring. The bottle itself is quite heavy, it's very thick, and the cap, whoa, come on cap, oh, I nearly broke it. So look at this. So basically you turn the cap and it will release the mechanism, which is very pretty and amazing, and I never seen anything like this before. I think very good. And it says Bugatti Dynamic Move Amber, and it's Eau de Toilette. And here we go. Let's see how is the smell. Let's see this atomizer. Good atomizer, surprisingly, for a price. All right, so far so good. Attention to detail is very good, and let's see how is the smell. Here we go. First impression. Woo! OMG! So straight away, I can smell. Oh my God! What was it? I have a blank in my head. Anyway, so first thing it hits me is the cinnamon. There's a massive cinnamon in here, and it's delicious. Quite floral. The base is quite woody and ambery, and it says, as it says, dynamic amber. It's very, very ambery. So it reminds me of a very famous fragrance which I love, and I used to have a bottle of it, and I don't have anymore. Unfortunately, it's been discontinued, and it fetches quite a big price. And I will tell you in a minute. Oh, Armani Code Profumo. So straight away, Armani Code Profumo, it comes to mind. But this is for first impression. Obviously, you'll have to wait and see if it stays like that, or is it just the opening. But for the opening, almost identical to Armani Code Profumo, and that beauty is been discontinued, unfortunately, and is fetching a big penny. So if you like that, under £30, this is a bargain. Yeah, so I can smell something like a tobacco, but the tobacco in here is quite sweet, and it's quite friendly, and it's quite a little bit on the leafy side, but mainly is a sweet honeyed tobacco, which adds to the beauty of this fragrance. Definitely woody base. The base is very clean, so I would say cedar and sandalwood together to making it very smooth, very rounded. And also I can smell a big tonka bean in here, which is giving it a nutty, earthy, but very creamy, delicious sweetness in here. So overall, this is a quite sweet fragrance, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 7 to 8 in terms of sweetness. So it's very, very sweet fragrance. Yeah, the mid is it's got a floral body to it. I can smell jasmine. I can smell something aromatic. Maybe there's a lavender in here, or most likely to be lavender, because it's very, very aromatic. It's very friendly. Is one of those DNA that is very, very friendly. Is universally palated. Is you can use at any age, anywhere. Is very, very versatile. But for the smell itself, OMG, what a beauty! And it's very close in terms of quality to the Armani Code Profumo, which is crazy for this price point, under £30. Wow. Big cinnamon, little bit of nutmeg, definitely some aromatics, which is most likely to be lavender, and also I smell some white floral like jasmine. And base is heavy on the tobacco, heavy on the amber. The amber in here is gorgeous. It's very, very well done. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very well blended. The perfume itself is of good quality for the price, under £30. Smells at least 2 to 3 times what I paid for it. It smells delicious. So if you don't know, I'm a huge fan of Armani Code Profumo, massive. I thought when it was released, it's one of the best perfumes in the world, especially for going out for special occasion and things like that, because it was very delicious. It was very, very opulent. It was very well done. So naturally, I'm very, very gravitated towards this. It's very, very well done. Yeah, I smell some green herbal smell to it, but the herbals are in the background mainly. But the biggest player by far are the amber, and as he says, amber. And the amber in here is very gooey, is very sticky, is very delicious, it's quite deep. For under £30, such a beautiful amber is unheard of. It's quite deep, it's quite resinous, it's quite sticky, it's quite sweet, it's quite it's like a honeyed tobacco in here. And also I can smell vanilla in the base, most likely to be vanilla. It's like a combination of vanilla and tonka bean to give it that sweetness in the base. Overall, for the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. as I said, I was a big fan of Armani Code Perfume. I'm very happy to bought this. I didn't know it was going to be similar to that. I thought, let's see how it goes, and they surprised me. Well done, Bugatti, whoever you are. If you own the you know, the brand, or is a sub brand of somebody else, whoever you are, for a first perfume from you, I'm very impressed. So this is delicious amber, sweet tobacco, vanilla, tonka bean, a little bit of woody in the base, and floral in the mid, especially that aromaticness, and also white floral. And in the beginning we have a big sweet sweet cinnamon. The cinnamon is huge in here, is one of the biggest player, plus a little bit of nutmeg. And overall, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. If you love Armani Code Perfume and you can't find it for a good price, this is a very good alternative to it. It's almost identical. Yeah, almost identical. I would say 90+% similarity to it. Very delicious. The only thing is we have to wait and see how long it lasts and how much it projects. Even if it's a medium performer, because Armani Code Perfume was a huge performer, it was beast mode. But even if it's for the price, because Armani Code Perfume, when it was released for 110 ml, it was around 110 pounds, let's say 100 pounds, and this one is under 30 pounds. So you do the math. I think this is a very good price. So in the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, development, and things like that. But first impression, yes, I'm loving it. I'm giving it 10 out of 10 for that opening. It surprised me. I'm absolutely loving it. It's gorgeous. Who's it for? This is definitely universal, from 18 to 180 season. Better suited for cooler weather, but it's because it's got freshness to it. You can use it all year round. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more spray. In terms of occasion, this is very delicious. You can use it formal occasion, evening, a special occasion, going out, close encounter, dating, anything like that. But because the price is right, as under 30 pounds, you can go heavy on the trigger, and you can use it anywhere, any time you want. You pay for a perfume, you know where to wear and when to wear it. This is only a recommendation. Okay guys, in terms of sex, it could be unisex easy, although it's aimed for men. But you know, Armani Code Perfume was aimed for men itself, but it was very unisex anyway. So this is in the same category, very unisex to my nose. Leans a tiny bit masculine, but it is unisex. If you like it, if you're a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, you know, you can easily wear it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are a hidden gem, and this is definitely a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, on my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the worker, I'm the artist. So they are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I leave them in the link. They are all to be smooth, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very artistic, very unique, very mysterious, and they are amazing value for money. I leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.